let's go take a look. If you have any questions, I'm going to take a look at how to create an email in our system. So I'm going to click on the Create Send tab. And as you can see in here, these are where we store all the emails. Right now, these are all the workflow emails that we created for those Insights workflows. But your campaign or blast emails would go here too. So you would create emails, and then you can turn around and use that email, make a copy of it, and then use that out to build your new email and send from there. So I'm just going to show you the process for creating an email and show you the editor. So you can see, I already had one going here. That's fine. I can just use this. And I'm just going to delete some of these sections here. So we'll kind of start over. I'm just going to delete that. So I'm going to do this one. I'm going to do delete that, and we'll delete that and that. Everything. So now we have like a blank. So now we just got a header and a footer. All right. So if you're going to build an email, first thing you're going to start with is probably a logo or a header, right? So our system is as drag and drop. So I can grab this logo file here, which you can add. You can drag and drop, or you can load. You can add images into this email editor, and we'll store those images for you. I can then take that, like this logo file here, and I'm going to plop it right below this header, and boom, now we've got a logo. So with the logo, a couple things you can do with it. If I click on it, first of all, I can add a link. So if I want that logo, make sure it goes to your site. That's the most common thing. You can update the URL in here, hit OK, and now it's going to link to, when someone clicks on it, it's going to go take them back to your site. I can size it differently. So let's say you may want 250 width. It's going to make it really small. Maybe you wanted to do that, but now you wanted to center it. So I click on it again. I go in here to center, and now it's centered. But that's a little small, so let's put it back to where it probably should be, which is around 600. Actually, that's a little big, a little too big. We don't want that. I think it was 250. Sorry, 250, something around there. Anyways, it might be a little bigger. Anyways, you size it however you want. As long as the only thing you want to do is so that when you're uploading, that's actually a good point. When you're uploading images in here, you want to make sure your images are large and good size, because then you can size it down. You don't want to take a small image and then enlarge it in our system, because then it will be pixelated. So that's just the rule of thumb. Make it a large image, and then the system can size it down accordingly. One thing you can't do, you can't edit or crop the image. So you want to have the image, as you want it. So you do all that cropping and editing outside of the system. But for sizing it, our system will size it accordingly. All right, that should be a little bit bigger. Let's make it a little bit bigger. So let's do that.